Upgrading exterior motion sensor and pathway lighting during new home construction greatly improves safety, convenience, and deterrence. Start by planning lighting zones around entries, driveways, and walkways so each circuit serves a coherent area and minimizes unwanted activations. For motion sensor floodlights, choose light-emitting diode fixtures rated for exterior wet locations with adjustable sensitivity and timer settings. Mount them between 8 and 10 feet high and angle them down and away from windows to prevent glare into neighboring homes. For pathway lighting, use low-voltage 2-wire systems with a transformer sized at 20% above the total load and set timers for occupancy patterns, or pair them with a photoelectric dusk-to-dawn cell to avoid daytime runtime. When integrating smart controls, pick devices that support local manual overrides and scene scheduling, so occupants can disable motion triggers temporarily without losing automated protection. For occupancy sensor integration, prefer passive infrared for perimeter detection and dual technology sensors for driveways where pets or HVAC vibration might cause false trips. Run extra conduit during rough framing to future-proof for additional fixtures, photocells, or low-voltage runs so upgrades later do not require opening walls. Label each run on the electrical plan and coordinate with the electrician and landscape team so fixture placement matches sightlines and planting plans. People commonly place motion sensors too low or aim them toward glass, which causes reflections and nuisance triggering, so mount sensors at the recommended height and point them away from reflective surfaces. Another frequent mistake is undersizing the transformer for low-voltage path lights, which leads to dimming and reduced lifespan, so calculate total fixture load and add a margin of at least 20% when selecting a transformer. A third issue is relying solely on motion triggers, which can leave areas dark between activations. Combine motion sensors with dusk-to-dawn photocells or schedule-based smart control to maintain baseline illumination for safety while keeping motion-triggered boosts for deterrence. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who do exterior lighting work and gives contractors a place to find new projects in our area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange tips, ask questions, and share photos of installations so everyone can make smarter choices during construction upgrades.